Should you cut your contingency fee at the beginning of your relationship with the potential client? This is a difficult issue that a lot of lawyers face, and especially a lot of young lawyers who may not have had to deal with this before. So I'm doing these videos because I want to give my 33 years of experience, because I've had this issue happen to me before, and there's definitely different schools of thought on whether you should cut your contingency fee at the beginning if the client asks. But let me just share with you what I think is the best way to go. Hi, everybody. My name is Frank Spector. I'm a medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and in D.C. I've been doing this for over 33 years. I've had the privilege of representing thousands of people, helping them get the compensation and the justice that they deserve. I was also an adjunct professor at my law school. So some of the things that I'm sharing with you are the same things that I shared with my students. So at the beginning of a relationship, especially if you want to get that case signed up, it can be very tempting to just give in and cut your contingency fee if the client asks you. And here's what I'm going to say. Don't do it at all. Do not cut your contingency fee at the beginning of a relationship, and here's why. First of all, you've gone to law school, you've spent the time and the effort and the money to become a lawyer. You've taken the rigorous bar exam. You have knowledge and value to give to your client. And what I told my students, and what I'll tell you, is you have a right to charge for your services. Now, in a contingency fee, that's different than charging by the hour, but still, it's how you charge for your services, and you have value. And if you are so willing to cut that contingency fee right away, it kind of diminishes your value to the client, in my opinion. Now, I know there's an opposite viewpoint, and I respect that. But from my years of experience, I just think it's a bad idea to do. Why? Because it's never going to stop, because it creates a slippery slope. Because if the client thinks that they can get you to cut their fee, as the case goes on until it ends, you can bet that at the end of the case, the client's going to ask you to cut the fee again. So what I would say is stand firm. Explain to the client what value you're bringing. Don't talk about it in terms of price all the time. Talk about it in value. And if you hold firm, it's going to prevent a lot of problems happening to you on the back end. Now, I'm going to do another video to talk about some situations at the end of the case where you may have to cut your fee, but at the beginning, hold firm. Thanks again for watching. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. I look forward to seeing you soon.